Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on Yuzu Emulator. First, you'll need to download the Yuzu Emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. It's crucial to ensure your computer meets the minimum system specifications for smooth performance. This initial setup is straightforward and gets you ready for the next steps. Next, you'll need to acquire your Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu game files. Remember to obtain these legally from your own game cartridge or digital purchase. After that, install the required production keys and firmware into Yuzu. These are essential for the emulator to run games. Finally, navigate to Yuzu settings and point it to your game file location. To get the best experience, optimizing Yuzu settings is key. Head into the graphics configuration and experiment with different options to find a good balance between visual quality and performance. Enabling asynchronous GPU emulation can significantly boost your frame rates. Also, consider setting a custom resolution, perhaps 1092 by 1080, for sharper visuals if your system can handle it. If you encounter any issues, first ensure Yuzu and your graphics drivers are up to date. Many common problems can be resolved with a simple update. Don't hesitate to consult online forums or communities for specific troubleshooting advice. For the best experience, I highly recommend connecting a compatible controller. It truly enhances the gameplay of Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.